Good morning to you. Good morning. How are you? How are you, my friends? How are you? I'm so happy to be with you today. It's Teacher Alice and English for Fun. Hello everyone. I'm Teacher Alice and welcome to English for Fun. How are you today? And today we're going to talk about personal pronouns. Have you ever heard about personal pronouns? If you haven't, don't worry, let's start. The first pronoun is I. Hi, I'm a Teacher Alice. You. How are you today? I'm fine, and you? How are you today? The next is he. He is a boy. He is a boy. She is a girl. She is a girl. It. Who is it? It's a dog. It's a dog. We are happy. Are you happy? We are happy. They are happy. Let's repeat. How are you today? I'm happy. Are you happy? I'm happy. You are happy. You are happy. He is happy. He is happy. She is happy. She is happy. We are happy. We are happy. They are happy. They are happy. Let's keep on practicing. Can you tell me what pronouns shall we use here? A girl. A girl. She is a girl. Excellent. A boy. A boy. He is a boy. Good job. Are happy. Happy. We are happy. A boy and a girl. They are a boy and a girl. They are a boy and a girl. Who is it? It's a dog. It's a dog. Excellent, good job. I hope you will enjoy the video. If you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. I'm Teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.